So as a writer, if you want your foundation to be strong, you want to have your base strong, I got something by being introduced to the scripture. I got to learn and I got to practice these 3 Qs in my life. Okay, that is what I have mentioned there for you. IQ, EQ, SQ and PQ. இது தெரியாம you cannot be a writer. Okay, what is SQ அப்படின்னா இந்த IQ, EQ, SQ, EQ ல வந்துட்டு the main thing I explained to you communication, and I said communication is the center, okay, of the solar system, and you have all the other planets around it. அதே மாதிரி if you want to gain intelligence, why am I talking about intelligence? Okay, as a writer you need knowledge, you need so much of knowledge. இந்த knowledge வந்து நம்ம வந்து இந்த intelligence குள்ள போட்டுடலாம். Okay, so SQ is your spiritual intelligence, PQ is your physical intelligence, EQ is your emotional intelligence, and what else you have? IQ is your your cognitive intelligence. Okay, so as a writer, in the writers these British writers that I found, and once I became a writer, I understood one thing. Enna appadina, God is the center. Your knowledge and understanding of God is the center. That is called your SQ, as you can see in the diagram. In the SQ, like the center of the solar system nama life la irunduchina, then your understanding of all the others will automatically fall in place. So in a solar system, you cannot put Neptune, Pluto, Mars, at the center, the whole solar system will collapse. Okay, so when your SQ is at the center as a writer, your understanding of all the other areas fall in place. So as the picture very clearly tells you, IQ is your mental capability, your cognitive skills. PQ அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது உங்களுடைய physical capability. There are few people who wish to build your physical strength, stamina and all that. My son focuses so much on that and he fails at times when it comes to SQ. So உங்களுக்கு IQ ல என்ன பண்ணணும், PQ ல என்ன பண்ணணும், EQ ல என்ன பண்ணணும் எல்லாமே, if your SQ is strong, you will become very very resourceful. Okay, so இதை இன்னும் தெளிவா உங்களுக்கு சொல்லணும்னா, so as a writer you need a lot of knowledge. Okay, a lot of knowledge. I just justify that knowledge. A lot of knowledge la ஒரு முக்கியமான விஷயம் that differentiates man from animals is that animals have only PQ, which is physical quotient. They only grow physically, but we grow intellectually, we grow emotionally, and we grow spiritually. You got it? In the growth எல்லாம் நமக்கு இருக்கும்போது தான் you call yourself a human being. You say you are superior to animals, birds and plants. Plants have life, animals have life. Birds and other living things, they all have life. And I believe, I still remember telling you, எல்லாத்துக்குமே ஒரு purpose இருக்கு. ஒரு டேபிள், சேர், மொபைல், ஒரு பென், பென்சில், everything has a purpose. So all inferior living things and non-living things have a purpose. But we, the superior beings, நம்மளோட purpose-ஐயோ goal-ஐயோ set பண்றதுக்கு, I can bet you, the UG level or PG level, what is your goal? What is that you want to achieve? Where are you going? Niketa, 95% of people do not have an answer. So like I linked project brief, okay, to your own life. Okay, life overall has a purpose. I would also like to connect you with your ultimate purpose and goal in life. Idu theriyama you can't write anything. Okay, what are you writing? What is your standpoint? Is something that you have to certainly know. Okay, so here I have introduced. If you are not aware of it, please be aware of it. If you call yourself superior to all other human beings, ஒரு ரைட்டரா உங்களுக்கு நிறைய தெரியணும். You need a lot of knowledge. Okay, அதுல நான் first கொடுக்கிற knowledge, if people ask you, if you say you are superior to animals, you are superior to birds, you are superior to all the other plants around you, but they are so useful for others, and what is your utility? To whom are you useful? Okay, even people, I'm sorry to say, even inside the family, are we useful? How useful are we? What is the role and responsibility that we play? Maybe most of the people in this class, you will give me a positive reply, but if I pose the same question in any class, we don't even play an active role inside the family. And where are we to play an active role in the society? You understand? So, இதுதான் உங்க ஆன்சரா இருக்கணும். As a writer, you should know this. I am superior to other living things because I am God's child. I was created in the image and likeness of God. Okay, no animal has SQ. Spiritual intelligence கிடையாது. They don't have IQ. They don't have EQ. ஆனா sometimes even animals prove better in emotional. Dog, I have a pet. அதோட emotional intelligence is sometimes even better than us. Its IQ is sometimes even better than us because we don't fine tune our skills. அது ஒரு பண்ணணும்னு கூட நமக்கு ஆசை இருக்கிறதே கிடையாது. ஒரு mediocre existence. Even doing your assignments and doing other tasks, mediocrity is always there. Okay, so it's an awakening for you. This is the big picture of life. If you are not connected with that, you will not do justice in the small pictures. So பெரிய picture பாருங்க. Lifeல knowledge of God, knowledge of the SQ is what has created most of the writers. All personality development writers. It could be Stephen Covey, it could be Norman Winston Peale, okay, it could be Robert Schuller. Any personality development writer would not have written a book without his knowledge of God, the knowledge of creation, the knowledge that God became man to make man to become like God. Okay,